Say hi.
Say
I'm videoing.
Proposed for them, but they are omnivores by nature. So maybe after this kingdom, we might adjust the diet within that.
The days of basketball, you
I told you already, your shoes gonna get dirty. I mean, Kuya said already. Great things never come from comfort zones. Whoa. Ay, accident ah. Have to go down.
Oh, it's that one.
Forage, which means this is the natural behavior of foraging.
It's a deer.
Up close.
Oh, there's one there.
Go. Where is Daddy? Gone inside. One. Saan ako titingin, babe?
Oh, this.
Tiger.
Tiger?
It's walking. Eh, Kuya. So focus. How do you feel?
I'm tired, guys. This is my working and long walk.
How do you feel? Oh, sorry. Yes?
It's so hot, guys.
Yes. How do you feel?
How do you feel? Tired, bro. You see from his face.
Hey, where's mommy?
Hanggang ngayon malamig pa rin.
Yes, very cooling. This shit. Whoa. Why are you scared ah?
Jump, mommy, jump.
Jump, mommy, jump.
Oh, no, jump pala.
So like, it's kind of drizzling. It's my camera.
Oh, no, you walk.
Oh, it's another bridgey thing. Smile! We're gonna rest in the food court first. Over here. Sentile food hall.
I walk.
Ay, wow! Okay. Okay.
Orange slushy.
Orange slushy. Okay, mommy. Nice, man. Is that one scoop?
Yeah, it's one scoop, but he scooped so many times. It's drizzling a little bit. 24 maximum.
Oh,
Oh,
where?
oh, ow, my hat. Let me try my
You
camera.
have to put your head over. Have ah?
I don't know.
Wow. Big.
Oh, shit. It's down there. I think you can see from this direction. It's right there. Now we're going to the cave. Cave. Cavern. Oh, cockroach.
Cockroach.
Look. What's in here? Oh, more cockroach. Oh. It's so dark in here. Oh, it's fish. Can't see it. It's man-made, but it looks so cool. It's like dripping. It is. Oh my god, my thing wasn't recording. My camera wasn't even recording. There's one over there. What the shit? It's sticking its tongue at me. What's that? Frog?
What?
Oh. Try to scare me. Took a picture. Oh my god. We're finished. This is the exit. Finish na, mommy. Bye bye. That got stuck. Ikaw, tiger tail.